Hey y'all, this is Rochelle and welcome back to my channel, Rochelle's Plans. Thank you for joining me for another video, and in today's video we are unboxing this what's going on with me? We are unboxing my Simply Gilded sub box. Okay, let's just take a look at this one, y'all. Oh my gosh, Irene's sub boxes. Oh my gosh, the boxing or the packaging is just perfection. It says Paris in spring. You see it has like her bows here, and then you've got the little floral pattern. This is volume 40, Paris in spring. And then on the back, you can see it has this gold foiling. You've got the bow here. You've got juniper, her web address, and then her social media platforms. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and start unboxing this sub box. Okay, y'all, so I've pulled out everything out of the box. Let me zoom in some. I pulled out everything, and this is an inventory card of everything that comes in the box. So I'm going to keep this over here to the side so that way I can go down the list and let y'all know everything that I got. So the first thing is, let's see here. You get this foiled journaling card, and it says, I don't know what that says, velour something, I don't know. Anyway, and I did take French in high school because we didn't have Spanish, but I don't know what that says. Oh, velour c'est pavor, something like that, y'all. But look at that. How cute is that? So pretty. So the details, oh my gosh, y'all, I love it. All right, so that is the foiled journaling card. Next, okay, I'm not going to go exactly down the list because it says the washi tapes are next, but look at this one, y'all. It's a luxe quilted pouch. Oh my goodness. It's got like this little chevron pattern here. I love this, y'all. That little, I don't know, that little plastic that's on the hardware. You've got your gold loops here if you want to carry it as like a clutch or a purse. Look at this. Oh, look at the color inside. I love this baby blue color with this like taupe color. That is so pretty. And then you have a pocket here. Wow, y'all, I love this. Oh my goodness. Y'all remember I said that I was going to possibly cancel my subscription, but I don't know if I'm going to or not. I'm probably just going to just cut back somewhere else. But y'all, how can I cancel this and you get all of this goodness in the, I just can't. So, okay, this is the luxe quilted pouch. All right. And this is the B6 stitch binding notebook. I'm not going to open it up. Usually it is either plain, dot grid, or grid on the inside. Let's look at the sticker sheets for this kit. Yeah, I don't know. I've been so out of it. I don't know. What is this for? Is this for March or February? I don't even know. But this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. All right. So you've got the two full sticker sheets here. You've got your date headers or your day headers, your full box stickers. You've got some icons here, then you've got the flag icons, You've got some more full boxes here. You've got the bow strips there. Then here on the second sheet, you have more day headers, actually two of those, so total 3. And this is the same pattern as the box. Then you've got 1, 2, 3 full box stickers. You've got some meeting, appointment, important groceries, meal plan to clean, and laundry headers here. Some bow icons here, and some heart checklists. Y'all, this color palette is so pretty. Oh my goodness, love it. Then you've got the bow seals. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. And then you have your date dots here. More, what are these? Half boxes, more heart checklists, and some icons here. And then just some heart icons here as well. So that is the deluxe sticker kit and seals. Okay, then you have the vellum sheet. Doesn't look like, it just says vellum sheet, so I don't know if there's any acetate. Must not be. She just says just a vellum. Yeah. So yeah, just a vellum sheet. So you get 2 of these. You have this chevron type pattern, which we saw that was the same as the pouch, and then the pattern like the box. So pretty. Really pretty, y'all. You can use it however you want to. I would normally put it inside of here, or just however you want to. Okay. Oh, then we got some die cut stickers. These are new. Well, I think, yeah, must be February's box. Okay, and I didn't do an unboxing of January's box, the iridescent, I think is what it's called. Look at this, y'all. That is so cute. I don't know how I'm going to use them, but oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, wow. I love it, especially the gold foiling. Oh my goodness. And then look at this, having a tea party. And then the bike, which is the bike that was on the journaling card. That is so pretty. So pretty. I love it. I don't know how I'm going to use it, but we've got them. Okay. And then, okay. This is what I love the most about her. This is what I love the most about her kits, y'all. Look at this pen here, y'all. Let's throw this away. This pen, oh my goodness. The same pattern as the box. It's got her Simply Gilded, the Simply Gilded name here. Got her signature bow on the top. Oh my goodness, y'all. And this is a floral print gel ink pen, and it writes in the 0.5. I love it. I love her pens, y'all. I use them in my planners all the time. Next, y'all, are the washi tapes. Oh, and y'all, it comes in this pouch. This is what it comes in. And just look at, y'all, she always outdoes herself. I feel like, though, I have maybe had this one before, or it looks the same. But yeah, I'm going to roll these out for y'all so that y'all can see how they look. So y'all, so here is the washi tape. And let me show y'all what it looks like all rolled out. Isn't that gorgeous? Uh-oh. So y'all, so here's the washi tape. But let me show you what it looks like all rolled out. This is so pretty. Y'all, here is the washi tape all rolled out. Isn't that so beautiful? Y'all, sorry, I have a whining puppy. Hold on. So here it is all rolled out. You got the 10 millimeter, the 15 millimeter with the floral background and the gold bows. Then you've got the perforated washi here. Then you've got this, I don't know, to me it looks like possibly an Aztec or whatever this pattern is. I don't know what the pattern is, y'all. Kind of looks like the pouch that I showed earlier. And then you have this squiggly line with the bow. Okay, then you have the bicycle with the bow pattern. And then look at this one, y'all. The Paris Nights is what I'm calling it. I don't know if that's what she called it, y'all. I haven't seen any Instagram lives or anything like that, but I'm calling it, I don't know if it's a night in Paris or just the Paris scene. Okay, and then here at the bottom, these 4 washi tapes here are the add-on washi. So I do subscribe to the add-on washi, and I think it's an additional $5 or $6. Y'all, don't get me to lying. I'm not sure exactly how much it is. I just know that the box has gone up since January, and significantly, and has gone up, but I'm not going to cancel my subscription at this point because, y'all, it's just so pretty. Let me say this though, if it's your first order of $15 or more, you get $5 off. So it's a referral link, not an affiliate link. So anytime you get $5 off your first order of $15 or more. You get $5 and I get $5. It doesn't cost you anything to use the link. You just get the $5 off. And thank you to all of you who have used my link. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, y'all, I think that is all of, that's everything from the kit now, except for the mystery items. I'm going to say items because I think it's more than one. So if you don't want to see the mystery item, if you have not received your box yet, stop the video now because I'm about to show the mystery item. So the first one is this gold necklace here, y'all. This is really cute. So it has her signature gilded established. Is that 2015 or 2016? I can't really tell, but so you have that on the clasp, and then you've got her signature bow. That is so pretty, y'all. So pretty. I love it. Okay. And then the next item, y'all. Let's look at the box it comes in though before I open it. So y'all, here's the next item. It says the Juniper Series 1. Look at the box, y'all. It's so cute. It looks like it was bought in a store. Then you have Juniper in a blue dress or green dress. I'm guessing these are all the different options. You have the white Juniper bunny with the pink dress, and then the chocolate Juniper with the yellow dress. And then what does it say here? It says, welcome to the shimmering world of Simply Gilded. Hello, it's so nice to meet you. I'm Juniper the bunny. I live alongside all of my friends in an enchanted meadow by the ocean side. I have big dreams and invite you to dream too. No dream is too big or too small. I see the light inside of you, and I know the world will be so much better the more you let it shine. And it says this is our XO Juniper. XOXO Juniper. This is not a toy. This is a collectible art. P.S. Juniper loves you. Hope to see you again soon. And then it has her Simply Gilded web address, and then her social media platforms. So let's see which one I got. Oh, look at this, y'all. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. I got the white juniper with the blue dress. I kind of wanted the pink one, or even possibly the yellow one, but look how cute that is. So pretty. Look at the little feet. Oh, it says Simply Gilded 20. And look at her little tail. That's cute, y'all. So, yes, Irene outdoes herself every single month. And I mean, I love a subscription box where, you know, everything inside you feel like it is just of so much value that it's just like, yeah, I can't walk away from it. But that is all. So y'all, let's recap the February box, the Paris in Spring. So the mystery item here is this necklace here, and then the collectible juniper. Let's move this over to the side. You got the Luxe quilted pouch. Of course, we've got the washi here, and let me make sure that you guys can see. We got the foil journaling card. We have the vellum sheets. Got the B6 notebook. We have the sticker kit and seals. And then we have the pen, y'all. This is so cute. I love this. I love this box, y'all. So that is it, and I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to her box, I think enrollment is still open. Just go to her website, simplygilded.com, and you'll see the instructions there. I know now, or started today, was the March pre-sale. But again, the referral link, if you want to use it, is in the description box below. You get $5 off of your first order of $15 or more. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Playing with Rochelle. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.